Have you ever heard of Beforepay? That awesome app that lets you get paid early? Well, buckle up, because things have changed. But before we dive into the juicy details, let's rewind a bit. Remember those late nights, anxiously waiting for payday to finally hit your account? Feeling that familiar pinch in your wallet, wishing you could access your hard-earned cash a little sooner? That's where Beforepay came in, offering a lifeline to many by allowing employees to access their earned wages instantly. But hold on tight, because this story takes an unexpected turn. So, what happened to Beforepay? Did it disappear into thin air? Nope. It actually underwent a major transformation, a complete rebranding. And the new name? Drumroll, please. DailyPay. That's right. Beforepay is now known as DailyPay. Now, you might be wondering, why the change? Well, DailyPay, the company behind Beforepay, has been expanding its services beyond just early wage access. They're now offering a comprehensive suite of financial wellness tools designed to empower employees and improve their financial health. This includes things like financial education resources, budgeting tools, and even savings accounts. So, it makes sense that they wanted a name that better reflects their broader mission. But don't worry, all the core features you loved about Beforepay are still there. You can still get paid early, access your earned wages on demand, and enjoy the same level of convenience and flexibility. In fact, with the rebranding, DailyPay is aiming to make these services even more accessible and user-friendly. So, there you have it. Beforepay is now DailyPay. A new name, a broader mission, but the same commitment to helping employees achieve financial stability. If you're curious to learn more about DailyPay and all the amazing things they offer, I'll leave a link in the description below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.